This is our breakfast on day number 3 in Ira village. This is milk and banana, and she just poured some honey in this.
Not milk, coconut
Oh,
milk.
coconut milk.
Yeah.
Oh, I've never had coconut milk.
Coconut milk.
So this is new for me.
Yeah.
Coconut milk and jaggery.
And jaggery, okay.
Jaggery. Add this honey and jaggery.
How do you? Oh, you put it like this.
Yeah.
And what is this item called now?
Hannina rasayana.
Hannina rasayana.
Hannina rasayana.
Hannu means in English
Fruits.
fruit.
Ah. Have you had this?
No.
No.
I mean, I may have
Ah.
as a child, but I'm sure.
And you eat it by folding this or
Yeah.
just like this?
Anyway.
Anyway, okay.
Yeah, this
So I'm not going to fold it because the milk will fall out.
Ah.
So to repeat again, this is chapati. This is chapati or roti as it is called in India, the Indian bread. And then this is banana in the coconut milk, and then she just poured honey in it, and there is jaggery also in it. Let's take the first bite now. Hmm.
This is the second food of the day.
The second food vlog of the same day.
And fruit as well. No? There's banana in this.
Hmm.
We were walking down, so we saw a guava tree. That kacha guava. So we picked one and had that. That was the first meal of the day. How are you liking it?
It's good. It's very good.
It's very good.
Even though I live in South India, in the same state, I have not heard of or seen this item. And in fact, coconut milk I have not tried before. I've never had coconut milk before.
Okay, yeah. It's mixed with honey.
Can I have one more?
Yeah. Sorry, I was supposed to pick it up.
It's okay. You can serve me this. You will get your chance.
I will not take offense to the word serve here because it is correctly used in this context.
Of course.
Doesn't. Oh, sorry. This way.
What's his name?
What's his name? Jackie.
Jackie. Hello, meet Jackie. Which breed is this?
Is it a mix? I don't know.
Yeah, it's very soft. Hello, Jackie. What language do you understand?
Doesn't know how to show his excitement. I wash my hands.
That was Jackie.
Oh, she will have his name.
And we will do what here?
We'll sit for a while and then go.
Okay. So then I'll turn off the camera for now.
There are
And
chicks there, so we'll also
I can go from behind to see the chicks.
You don't want to remove your shoes?
No, I will. It's not about that. I'll remove my shoes.
You can take chappals and all. I think on your friend.
I suspected this would happen. This. It's like when I go to my native place, they take me to all the relatives' places, and then we have to eat everywhere. So now that's happening here. This is chicken. This is. Oh, this is what dosa, right? Neer dosa. Which kind of dosa?
Appa.
And this is what banana. Let's do it. Why did you stand there? You could sit here.
I thought you just take.
This is not a gun. I'm not going to shoot. See you later. What is this place called?
Farm or something.
farm, chicken farm.
Huh?
They don't run away there, down there. Okay, there's a net. Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh.
See, last week when I taken, they were smaller than this. Now they've become slightly bigger.
Hmm. What's that tank?
That I could have
How are they?
how gender on I betcha
They heat it.
betcha heat out.
Oh, huh. At
I
night.
think I took a first day when you are I got I time one one. And I did keep to Mutago, I did Guru, Bitchu, just as I keep and you. How Patina was a pretty gender.
Acha.
I cannot see property when I yelling last time.
Oh.
Mokanaka Patti, when you are putting a cup of water.
They're eating.
That's
That's to heat.
Yeah, first they were heating in this. There are 5 bulbs inside there.
Okay, 5 bulbs.
Yeah, they will lower it
Oh,
and all the chicks come and sit
under that.
under that. Yeah.
For
Now-
heating.
Yeah. Now they are big, no? So they are using that.
And what's inside that?
They put charcoal, firewood, and all that. Wood and all. And then,
Oh, so they need heat.
yeah, they need. At night it gets a little chilly out here.
Oh,
So that's why earlier when they were smaller, they had, like you said, lower this thing which has bulbs.
bulbs there. Now there's only one bulb. Yeah.
But earlier they had put more bulbs. So at night they would all, come together, and there were 2 of these, so they would
Oh.
just huddle under them to get some warmth. Now they've grown slightly bigger, so now they're using that.
And what's inside that white thing? Water.
That will fill by itself. Inside there's water, no?
Mm-hmm.
No. As soon as that get empty,
Ah,
that inside one,
new water will come out.
and after 10 days they will remove this. To make
Okay.
it bigger space.
Make it bigger then. So this whole place will become a farm like.
Because this will grow, no?
And this is what, wood, no?
Yeah,
Why wood?
actually, maybe just to soften the ground. But he also said last time we came that it's not a good idea because sometimes when they're eating food,
They
might
eat
end
wood
up.
also.
Yeah, so he said they will remove these things.
Let me touch one. Ba ba ba. Ba. They shouldn't know that I am alive.
Okay,
So I should not move. I should not make sound. Wait, guys, wait. Let them step on my hand before I pick one up. Hey! I should have kept my hand like this, and then it could have been easier. Bye bye, Jackie. Now we are going to the church.
Mitu bhai. Church. Free ಇಲ್ಲ ರಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಧ ಗಂಟೆ ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ.
We're on the hill now, and right there is the church.
Later we'll go down.
Yeah.
Let's go there.
Wow, looks beautiful. Wear mask, maintain distance. Guys, I've lost my mask, so I'll be using. Hold the camera, the worst camera
Why am
woman.
I still stuck with that label?
Because
Oh,
see
sorry.
now also
Wait,
you're
now
pointing
because
somewhere else.
my attention got diverted.
So why are you asking why I'm stuck with that label? You're pointing somewhere else.
I was just trying to be funny, really.
It's almost to the point that they will feel that it's all planned, scripted.
Yeah,
But
there.
no, she's really like that. There's no Jesus here,
No, it's insane.
so it's a different kind of church. I don't know a lot about churches. Huh?
We're supposed to remove the.
Yeah, I'm not going in yet.
Acha, okay.
I'll probably look from here only. So that building is the Hare Krishna temple, but they don't allow even Hindus to go in unless you belong to that sect. What do we see?
Can you see coins?
Coins, yeah. People
Over
are-
here also.
Oh, yeah.
Full of.
It's full of coins. I don't think this camera will capture that, but let me just describe.
You can show it over here. See?
Yeah, some coins have fallen here, so that can be seen. But this well is full of coins because people have been putting coins here. Let's put a couple of coins. Let's enrich the well of coins.
Yeah.
I have a few coins. Let's empty the coins. Oh, my mask is coming off.
Only one coin you can be so greedy. It's a wishing well.
I'm a man of unlimited wishes. But we don't have enough coins for them. So we'll put. You saw now, I just described that.
Yeah, because I was breathing.
Let them hear the sound of the coin dropping. Oh, it hit somewhere else. I'll just take some stills now. So, do the honors.
Do the horrors according to you. Right after you said that. So where do you want me to be standing?
Okay guys, so that's the church, and now we'll go back. Thank you for watching and subscribe. Bye bye.
Thank you for appreciating my work and tolerating it. Sorry, I know he's gonna cut that.